Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at the technical analysis on the currency pair NZD USD. And first, we'll be talking about fundamentals before we move right down to technicals, which is purely what we're seeing on the chart. Now, we can see that NZD USD sticks to gains above the 0.6200 amid a modest USD pullback from a 2-week high. Checking our daily time frame to confirm this. Now, NZD USD attracts some buying for the second successive day amidst the modest USD downtick, and the looming recession risk might keep a lead of any meaningful gains for the risk-sensitive Kiwi. Traders might also prefer to wait on the sidelines ahead of the Fed decision on Wednesday. The NZD USD pair rebounds nearly 35 pips from the Asian session low and turns positive for the second straight day on Tuesday. Now, spot price is currently traded around 0.6210 to 0.215 region, up 0.15% for the day, and draw support from a modest US dollar weakness. Now, in fact, the USD index DXY, which tracks the greenback against the basket of currency, snaps a 5-day winning streak to a nearly 2-week top, and for now seems to have stalled the recent recovery from its lowest level since April 2022. Now, touched last week, in the absence of any fundamental trigger, the USD downtick could be solely attributed to some profit taking and is likely to remain limited as traders keenly await cues on the Federal Reserve's future rate hike path. Now, it is worth recalling that the markets have been pricing out the possibility of any further rate hikes after the widely anticipated 25 BPs lift up at the end of a 2-day FOMC policy meeting on Wednesday. While market participants, however, remain skeptic in the US Central Bank that will commit to a more dovish policy stance or stick to its forecast for 50 BPS rate hike by the end of this year. Hence, the focus will be on the accompanying policy statement and also on Fed Chair Jerome Powell remarks. Now, the outlook will play a key role in influencing the near-term USD dynamics, as well as help determine the next leg of a directional move for the NZD USD pair. While in the meantime, worries about a global economic downturn along with worsening US-China relations and geopolitics risk sentiment might continue to lend some support to the safe haven greenback and cap a meaningful upside for the risk-sensitive Kiwi. Now, in terms of this, the NZD USD pair later during the early Northern American session, this week's rather busy US economic docket also features the advanced Q2 GDP print and the core PCE price index, while the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, which should further contribute to infusing some volatility in the market. So what to expect from this on the technical level is therefore a little bit of an upside presumed, and we are looking to target the next support zone, resistance zone, I mean to say, at 0.63100, which is about 90 pips from this point, which of course is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's currency PNZ USD. Now let's move over to the stock markets.
Welcome back, guys. And on today's stock markets, we'll be having a look at Mastercard. And recently we've seen that Mastercard is really having a push to the upside, a bullish run. And this is a result of the upside from Visa and Mastercard as a cross-border travel strengthens. With a price $290 price target, and Mastercard with a $440 price target as of recent. And we are expecting the strength in international travel, which can drive an upside for Mastercard's earning, especially given that cross-border volumes generate higher yields and margins than domestic volumes. And we still see some pockets of recovery left to recapture and expect cross-border travels to be a key growth driver for VNMA. The bank card spending data suggests slowing domestic US volume growth, with our VNMA historically traded at 10 to 14x premium at the S&P on a NTPM basis, and now trading at 6 to 9x. We are seeing a move to the upside. Price actions, of course, our shares traded higher than by 0.26%. At $397.32. And what to expect from this on the technical level with a possible breakout, which has already happened. Checking our 4 hours time frame, we are looking out for an extension to the upside, and this of course should be targeting around the 320 328 341 axis, which from this point is about some 360 pips thereabout following the breakout. Now that's our technical analysis on today's stock market. Mastercard, I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.